So today we're taking a look at iOS 26.3 Beta 3. Apple recently released a third beta with important privacy updates in regards to location services and data on your iPhone. I wanted to share those details with you guys in today's video. I also want to talk about bug fixes and when we can expect iOS 26.3 to officially release to the general public. Now, as we go into settings, head on over into general, about, and iOS version. The latest build number could suggest another beta, then the RC release candidate, and then we can expect the official release. But as I mentioned, we'll talk about the expected release date here shortly. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is a rotation lock bug that Apple has addressed with the third beta for iOS 26.3. Now, I'm not sure if you've ever experienced this, but when watching a YouTube video, if you go into landscape mode, the iPhone would automatically re-rotate the video and turn the video upside down. It was so annoying, and it looks like this issue has finally been resolved. So when you go into landscape mode, watching a video, rather is on YouTube or anywhere else, it would re-rotate the video immediately, making the video upside down. This was so annoying, and I've experienced this rotation lock bug for several updates ever since iOS 26. I'm pretty sure it's been there since iOS 26, and it looks like this rotation bug has finally been fixed with iOS 26.3, the latest beta. Now I want to talk about some of the privacy updates, more important location updates happening with this third beta. So according to code found within iOS 26.3 Beta 3, Apple has added a new limit precise location from cell networks. This limits the precision of your location data that is available to mobile networks and carriers. This does not impact location sharing during emergencies, and it also requires carrier support. You see here in the US, the UK, and Germany, as well as Thailand. These are some of the carriers that currently support this, and you also do need to have a C1 device. So a device with a C1 chip, i.e. iPhone Air, iPhone 16e, and of course the iPad Pro M5. So yeah, this is a new feature that will help your device sort of disperse that location data so that carriers don't have your precise location at all times. So now let's talk about when we can expect iOS 26.3 to be officially released to the general public. I was quite surprised to see that Apple released iOS 26.2.1 and a few hours later the third beta for iOS 26.3, so they may want to move things here quickly for iOS 26.3. So I'm expecting Apple to release another beta, perhaps the RC, which is the release candidate, and then an official release. So I'm thinking iOS 26.3, the RC will most likely become available in the next 2 weeks with an official release towards mid-February, and I'll keep you guys posted in regards to schedule as more betas become available, and it depends on what Apple does in the next couple of days. But thank you for watching. I just wanted to share those details with you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.